Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid Dishwasher Tine Row Holder. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Tine Row Holder. The Tine Row Holder locks the Tine Row in the upright position. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can pull the lower rack out. Once you have the rack out, we have access to the Tine Row Holder. If your Tine Row is in the up position, all you have to do is flex it to unlock it and lower it down. Then we can take the Tine Row Holder off. We just have to flex these two tabs on top to release them. Once you have them released, you can lift up on the Tine Row Holder a little bit and lower it down and pull it off the rack. Here's the old Tine Row Holder next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new Tine Row Holder on, you just have to put it onto the rack and line it up with the opening there. Then you can lift it up into position and then drop it down a little bit and lock it into place. Once you have it in place, we can lift up the Tine Row and lock it into the upright position. Once you have it set in place, you can push the lower rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.